chuck them both in. Because they must be here. Go. Here we've got all the fishing here, just wheeling in a small tailor here. So he's jumping up the water there. Just watching the surf for him as well. Hopefully he can get this up. Just over there. Gotta be very close to getting this up. Come on, big boy. You got him. You got him. Yes. Well done, that's fish number 2. And we're on fire here at the moment. Hold up the catch. Just nice fighting little tailor there. Awesome. It's fish number 2 in a few minutes. It's bloody good. As you said, it's pretty high swell here too. So. Taking the hook out now and holding up his catch. Nice little tailor there. Nice. Just walking out the rocks here. Oh. Yep. Grab him under the gills and run around. I got the whole thing. If you drink the whole thing. Yeah, when you hooked it and brought it in, so yeah, just filming at the moment. Yeah, I felt good. So we're just basically going to bleed out the fish now, kill it quickly, just for humane reasons. So, yep, and we're just putting in our bag there, and that's fish number 2 already in a few minutes. And yeah, you need to bleed it.
He's better. Taste him if you bleed him.
Yeah. Fish number 2. That's 2 fish now. Fucking hell, that's good. Mind my French. It's been a while. You just got him on that ad. Look at the rock there. It was fighting hard to get off too. Yep. As you can see, we're using small guardies as well. Taylor do like guardies. Oh, we've been filming for 4.5 minutes now. Yeah, I reckon. Just gonna leave it rolling. Yes, we might get another one. Yep. Right, so at the moment we've just got one person watching the surf and the other person fishing here, so yeah, it is. It's a bit of fun with some light gear as well. So you can really feel the was a little bit bigger, wasn't it? Beginner's luck. Yeah. I know, it's bloody brilliant. We should. Yeah, we definitely should. A couple of mackerel or something. Yeah. Must be fun. No, not as experienced as you are. I was pulled it over. Yeah, exactly. I'll remember that for next time. Yeah. Yeah, that's just what I thought to do. It would be the best idea. Yeah, definitely. Delivering all right. Oh, here we go again. This looks like a big one. Got a lot of more fight, as you can see there, just in the water. Hope we can get it in. Oh, you lost it. Shit. Bad luck. Fuck. Oh, he got it. That's fishing. Oh. Yeah. That seemed like a little bit of a bigger one too. Yeah.
No one's catching bluefish.
Bad luck. Yeah, it is fishing, isn't it? You really need to swallow it, really, don't you? Oh, we've been filming for about nearly 9 minutes. No worries. Yeah? Yeah, we'll give it a go. Oh no, it's great, yeah. Bit of fun. This is about where you got hit last time, so. Was it out further, was it? Okay. Okay. Yeah. I know.
guys, mate.
No worries. I got your back.